broker, you can check the description. I'll leave you a link to my Telegram. And for my Telegram, you can have access to this broker right there. Their name is World Trade. Okay, so starting off with FlipX1, I'll probably already on the 4-hour charts. Here is the high, the market. Okay, good. And of course, the low. Good. So now let's work this zone inside this zone. When it's going inside this zone, let's go to 15-minute charts to have a clearer view of the whole movement in that zone there. Okay. Now marking internal structure around here. Of course, let's check out the parts. Okay, stopping here. Now, joining with this part, it's obvious that this market is actually totally indecisive. When I mean decisive, it's neither bearish yet or bullish yet. So I would suggest you take any of them, neither taking going short or long. So since it's totally indecisive, you can see right here it's breaking the recent lows, forming new ones, and of course breaking the recent high, forming new highs. You can see it actually broke the previous low right here. Now it's not really supposed to actually break out of this, but from what you can see it's already breaking out of it. Now going below again, that means is there a chance of actually still breaking out of this again? I can see coming down and retesting this. So our levels comes up at this level or at this level. So that is what we do. We're gonna be to the market right here. So if we get another showing signs of bearish, then we go short. If we get signs of bullish, we go long. But then if it happens to out of the zone, we test it, then we can think of going long, or then breaks out of this, we test it, we think of going short. So any of that happens should give you a better insight of what the market has to do. So for now, let's just leave the market and see what's gonna do when it gets to these two zones we marked. Alright, that's it. Let's go to the next one, which is FX volume 20. Alright. Here's the chart of FX volume 20, of which seems to be bearish. Alright. So let's see this bearish is going to continue. Let's go to the 2-minute chart. Let's see what the recent candlestick formation is saying. Since today is a bit not so giving us nice charts, because from what you are seeing right now, you can't really say bullish or bearish also. So that means you still have to wait for it to actually take us out of this, then think of going long. But then on the bearish move, we still have a good way to go on the bearish move. But for now, not now. Why? Because you can see the market is not really totally telling us a cleaner chart of what it wants to do. So basically the market around this level to break, oh shit. Wait for the market to actually close out of this. Close out of this for us to go short. Alright, so this is what I'll be expecting on FX volume. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is break 600. Alright, on break 600, seem to be seeing some good time bullish. Seems that they're going bullish for a very good time. You can see it already. So let's see if we're gonna have a good entry to go long. It's currently pulling back. So let's see if we can get a very good entry for us to go long. That think of going long on break 600. Now, what do I mean by having good entry? Now, I haven't got to this level. I want to see it getting down here, not going below this previous low right here, not going below this zone. Now, if it happens to stop anywhere around, you can start seeing signs of bullish move. The markets just give me signs of bullish move. Then I can think of going long with 600. Please, if it's not clear, you can drop a comment in the comment section. I'll definitely be replying you one after the other. All right, that's it. Let's go to Pain. So focusing on Pain 600. All right. On Pain 600, since we are seeing some good momentum down to the previous resistance, now forming a support. So let's see if that's going to hold. All right. Okay, so here is my bullish setup for Pain 600. All right. Then remember, if actually to break below this, get our stop, take us out on stop, you actually look for a bearish trade. But for now, this is what I'm currently anticipating. Okay, so after Pain, we go to the final one, which is what? Gain. All right, so on Gain 600. For our strats. I'm not really comfortable right here. So let's just go on the 2-minute chart. Okay, so let's see if it's going to continue going bullish or bearish. Bullish move above this, bearish move below this. I think that's clear and straightforward. Bullish move above this, bearish move below this. Alright, that brings to the end of the analysis with broad trade. Remember, if this is your first time coming across this video, we do this every single day, drop your analysis and give you a better perspective you can actually use as a guide. Remember, I'm not telling you should just take trades based on my own analysis. Use this as a guide to have a better perspective, a better view, a better analysis, and of course, a better frame of reference in the market. So that's it. I wish you a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, feel safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.